This is Jackson Montgomery here, and today I will be showing you what's inside the Magnavox mwd2205. So, taking the lid off of it. Here's the machine. Here's the VCR and the DVD. Oh, and this is a TV Antion gave me, and it comes with, and it has a DVD player in it. I got the Magnavox hooked up to it. Alright, I'll go ahead and show you what the VCR is like with my 2001 Lyric Studios of VeggieTales, Esther the Girl Who Became Queen. Here's the tape itself with the ink label. Print date is 12/5/2001. That's December 5th, 2001.
There are two things you don't do in Persia. One of them is trying to drop a piano on a king's head. The other is appearing before him uninvited. The Peone brothers found these.
Lucky this VCR doesn't eat any tapes. And here's this black Orion VCR that Uncle John gave to me. Anyway, I'll show you what the DVD is like. With the Hurt Locker. Here's the disc itself. And let's go ahead and eject the disc. Ah, there we go. And well, that's all I wanted to say, folks. So, if you like this video, please hit a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.